If you're a freelancer, this video will be helpful to you because I will share exactly how I got basically free coaches from when I was freelancing. So what I did was, like most people, they go around like pay for paid membership, pay for one-to-one coaching, and that kind of thing is fine. And I think like it's actually a good thing as well that you're investing in yourself, and that's the thing that most people recommend when they're rich. They're like, if you have less than 100K in your bank account, invest it in yourself, in like coaching, mentorships, all of those things. I'm not saying those things are useless, but if you don't have any money and you still want to get like some expert advice, or like maybe get like a little bit of heads up on things when in your career or like in your freelance work, I think the best way to do that is LinkedIn and essentially like networking. So I used to be a freelance copywriter, right? And I needed someone to grade my work because I was like getting basically overconfident with my thing, because I was like, I understand English, I'm already good at writing, and this thing like looks good to me, I think it will convert, right? And so I needed someone to actually critique my work and like put me back in my place, that this is wrong, this is wrong, do this. But I had no coaches, right? And all whatever I was doing was like learning from YouTube and all of these things. So when I actually went on LinkedIn, I started like talking with this like lady who was like 6 or 7 years older than me, and she was like an already established copywriter in an actual agency, and like had made way more money than I had made at that point. I had basically made like $0 at that point, but she had made a lot more money than me. So anyway, I started talking to her, and like there was just this one day, I don't know if she asked it first or like I did, but I asked her to like critique my copyright. And usually that's the thing that's surprising about me, like people who have it as a program, like they're selling paid one-to-one coaching and all of these things, these kind of people are like really stingy with their advice, kind of, because they're like, if I'm like asking people to pay for something, why would I give it to free for to a stranger, right? But you have to find people who aren't selling this as a proper service, and like just talk to them a little bit. Don't immediately like start pitching people like, please review my copy, please review my copy, don't be a beggar. But actually start like making genuine connections with people. And then when you have a few people in your network that are like slightly older than you, slightly more experienced than you can easily ask these guys for advice and ask, like get them to answer whatever questions you have. And more often than not, these guys will like easily happily help you and like critique your work and tell you how they like got their clients or whatever. And like in some cases they will like even be nice enough to refer you to some clients and get you clients. So I think if you have money, go towards paid coaching or like paid programs. But if you don't have money, and if you were if you were like me when I was back then this is the best thing. Because like for example, if I'm like doing YouTube right now, and if somebody wants to ask me how I did YouTube, like I would be more than happy to share with him what I did, what like maybe the equipment to get, what problems did I face so he can't face them. Because people are like most people are generally nice like this, like they want to help other people who are in the similar niche or like similar, you can say, industry. So just go out and like make networks, especially on LinkedIn, because like it is like less, you can say, cold DM approaching. Like most people DM approach on like Instagram, TikTok, or like other Twitter, whatever. But on LinkedIn, people do cold approach. But if you don't cold approach someone and just like a hello or like a genuine question or a statement, like people get their guard really down, and they're more likely to respond on there, especially people who are trying to grow on LinkedIn and make genuine connections and network with people. So that's the thing I would do, and that's the thing I actually did in the past as well, to get free coaching for my work. And like god bless that lady, she helped me so much in my copywriting career. And that's all I have to say. Let me know what you think.